Thank you for joining us today for a comprehensive look at our company's product offerings. We're excited to showcase how our solutions can not only streamline processes, but also drive significant cost savings while ensuring top-notch installations for any project requiring a batch pond. The content we'll be diving into reflects 2 years of dedicated effort, designing, testing, and refining our products. Our focus hasn't just been on what works best in the field, but also on user-friendliness, ease of troubleshooting, and ensuring error-free operation for years to come. We're confident that the culmination of this work will impress you and demonstrate the value we bring to the table. As proud natives of Austin, Texas, our dedication to safeguarding our precious watersheds runs deep. With the Batch Pro system we're unveiling, you can rest assured that our ponds operate exactly as they should, ensuring the preservation of our environment while meeting industry standards. Our journey into this industry began with a realization. While there were regulatory requirements set forth by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, there was a noticeable absence of contractors setting the gold standard for batch ponds, especially in our region. This spurred us into action, and we've since made it our mission to not just meet those requirements, but to exceed them, setting a new benchmark for excellence in pond systems. Today, we're excited to share the culmination of our hard work and dedication with you. Our Batch Pro system isn't just another product. It's a testament to our commitment to innovation, quality, and environmental responsibility. So sit back, relax, and we hope you find some value in our brief presentation. When designing a new system to be installed in a visible location, we focused on making it visually appealing. One of our primary considerations was the size of the cabinet required to be installed beside a pond. We aimed for both aesthetics and durability, using only the highest quality materials available. Our minimalistic design approach allowed us to use superior materials without increasing costs. Our cabinet is specifically designed for pond control, avoiding unnecessary components found in most controllers. Instead of including cellular dialers, cameras, and remote monitoring by default, we offer these features as optional add-ons. This flexibility ensures cost efficiency for users who don't need these extras. We also wanted to make it easy to manage once installed. In addition, our design features a large, backlit PLC screen that displays all the information needed to troubleshoot or confirm the cabinet's operation. We incorporated numerous LED notification lights with phenolic tags, providing clear status updates for the cabinet, the valve, and the water sensor without requiring users to scroll through the PLC menu. The cabinets also come integrated with a rain sensor. This sensor can be turned on and off within the settings and is available by default if the project specifies its use. The rain sensor ensures that our system can respond appropriately to weather conditions, adding an extra layer of protection and functionality. These user-friendly features were directly requested by city inspectors, mud representatives, and engineers like yourself. All optional features are plug-and-play, requiring only programming and the addition of devices. This adaptability allows our single cabinet design to suit any project specifications. Additionally, our cabinets can support utility power in addition to solar and battery backup, if requested or required. Let's briefly discuss the reasoning behind our design. First, we use 2 different enclosures, and this is for a good reason. This approach makes our product easier and quicker to install. It reduces the weight that needs to be lifted, minimizes shipping space, and keeps the controls separate from the charging areas. Sometimes, specific project requirements necessitate using utility power with solar as a backup source. Our 2-cabinet design keeps all utility power and solar charging equipment isolated in the bottom cabinet. Only a qualified service technician should need access to this section. The top section houses all the controls and operates at a lower voltage, making it much safer when separated from the lower section. The cabinet face can be opened, inspected, and programmed without the risk of utility or solar charging voltages being present. This design also makes our cabinets adaptable to any on-site design requirements a project might have. We use an oversized 100-watt solar panel to ensure a good charge on the battery. Our solar charger will interrupt the voltage to the cabinet if the battery voltage gets low enough to risk internal cell damage. Once the charge is restored, power is automatically restored to the cabinet. During our scheduled maintenance, we load test the battery to determine if it needs replacement before it becomes an issue. Now let's take a look at traditional installations. In traditional installations, the outfall pipe is typically located at the pond's grade level, which often prevents the pond from fully draining. To solve this issue, we recommend routing the outfall pipe through the concrete slab and having it exit below grade. This adjustment ensures complete drainage, eliminating standing water and associated problems. Additionally, by incorporating a slight grade to the concrete slab, we facilitate water flow towards the outfall pipe, ensuring effective drainage even at low water levels. Another significant change in our design is the elimination of the float switch. This component has been a common source of issues, responsible for about 80% of service calls related to drainage problems. By removing the float switch, we significantly reduce maintenance issues. Moreover, float switches typically require around 6 inches of water to activate, often leaving residual water that doesn't trigger drainage, leading to standing water. Our updated design ensures the pond drains completely, avoiding this problem entirely. These adjustments, repositioning the outfall pipe to a subgrade level and removing the float switch, address key concerns in traditional batch pond installations. These changes lead to more effective and reliable drainage, reducing maintenance calls and ensuring no standing water remains in the pond. Now let's delve into the changes that we've implemented, changes that have consistently proven successful. First and foremost, we've removed the float switch from the trash rack. This not only eliminates the need for a conduit from the control panel to the trash rack, but also streamlines the system's design and operation. Secondly, if you take a closer look, you'll notice the slight grade that we've added to the concrete slab where the outfall pipe is situated. This subtle adjustment ensures that the pond can drain in its entirety, preventing any residual water from accumulating. Thirdly, we've optimized the conduit layout. Instead of multiple conduits, now only one 1-inch conduit is required from the control panel to the location of the manhole. Within the manhole, both the water sensor and the valve are installed, housed within a watertight enclosure on the backside of the berm. This design simplifies maintenance as only 2 subgrade serviceable parts would ever need attention. Regarding the placement of the control panel, flexibility is key. It can be situated wherever is most convenient and visible, rather than being tethered to any particular point. Moreover, we advise against installing manholes in the center of the berm, opting instead for placement on the backside. This not only allows for a shallower manhole, which reduces cost, but also mitigates safety risks during maintenance procedures. Lastly, we've refined the valve setup. The water sensor is positioned prior to the valve, located inside the manhole, ensuring timely detection and response to water levels. Some engineering firms request a manual-operated valve prior to the sensor, which our design easily accommodates. Now, the water sensor features a proprietary design with an expected lifespan of approximately 15 years. Engineered for harsh environments, it is capable of being directly varied. Equipped with a microprocessor, the sensor performs a self-test every 15 seconds. An LED indicator on the top displays its current status. A pulsing green light indicates the sensor is dry. A pulsing red light signifies water detection, and a strobing red light indicates an internal fault requiring sensor replacement. These collective enhancements streamline operations, improve reliability, and reduce maintenance requirements, ensuring optimal performance of our batch pond installations. Now let's discuss the alternative option displayed on the screen. Instead of concrete, this option utilizes manholes manufactured from HDPE pipe. These manholes feature a solid bottom, gasketed pipe entry, and an aluminum lockable hatch. They can be shipped pre-assembled to the job site without requiring any heavy equipment. This design is particularly advantageous for remote locations, as it fits comfortably on a pallet and can be easily transported. These manholes could be installed wherever there is a need. While they are not required for our installation, they do prompt us to reconsider the materials used for manholes. Thank you for your time today. We hope this video has answered your questions about our Batch Pro system, or perhaps sparked new ones. We're committed to continuously improving our design and greatly value your feedback. These systems are highly adaptable to any installation needs, so please consider integrating our product into your projects. We would be honored to have our Batch Pro system specified in your design plans. Before we open the floor for questions, we want to extend our gratitude to just a few of the contractors, suppliers, and engineering firms who have supported us in demonstrating the excellence of our product. Our mission to become the leading batch pond provider in Central Texas begins with your support.